What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, we're taking off right where we left off the last video on the new to me 350Z. Now in today's video, what I want to do is clean this vehicle up because it has a lot of broken glass from the window that broke on the driver's side. So I'm going to clean that up because it's pretty dangerous. I've already cut myself a few times with that broken glass, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So I kind of cleaned up here a little bit. I'm gonna take it to the car wash and just kind of vacuum everything up. And after I do that, I'm gonna start putting things back together. I technically should have everything to make this vehicle whole again, minus some small pieces that I could probably get down the road. So originally I bought all these pieces because I kind of wanted to convert the interior to the newer style interior on these vehicles found on 2006 and up 350Zs. However, I have kind of done a little bit of work off camera and a lot of things kind of don't fit how I want them to fit. So I think I'm just going to stick with the current interior, which is just that gray tan interior. And I'm probably going to sell the things that I just bought. I literally spent like 300 or 400 bucks on all this. And like I said, this is not everything. I still have a lot more stuff in the G20. But I'll sell it and make my money back and just focus on just making the inside of the vehicle a little bit nicer and focus on the engine, give it some maintenance, give it AC because I definitely need AC, and maybe toss some wheels on it.
So it's actually the next day, and right now what I'm gonna do is go to a salvage yard that has some 350Zs, and I'm hoping to get some of the last missing parts to kind of start piecing this 350Z back together. I'm hoping to get maybe the speakers, the AC amplifier, AC condenser, and a few other plastic parts. So hopefully they have those things for the right price.
So I ended up picking up the fender and a few other plastic pieces from the other salvage record place. However, I did come over to Infinity Motorsports again to try to find the AC amplifier, and I think I found it, but it's just so tucked in there, and this is what I'm dealing with. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get on there and try to pull that. I spoke too soon. They actually don't have it on this car, and I kind of checked every other car, so I think for the time being we're gonna have to just wait on that part until I can find 05, 06 and up, I think 350. So I'm gonna hold off for now. So the last two salvage yards have been a fail, so I came to this other one that had a 2006. However, I'm pretty sure what I'm looking for is also missing because that seems to be the trend. And yep, it's missing. Alright, so I just got back home and I just kind of threw on the fender to this so I can see if it matched, and it looks like we're good. So I paid 150 bucks for this fender. That is kind of pricey for me because I normally don't buy things this expensive when they're used. Normally I try to sell fenders for like 80 to 100 bucks, just depending, but this is the same color, and I'd rather just find OEM color so that I can make it look good again. And I'll probably still sell this fender for a cheap price and make some money back. So I have a lot of parts for this car, so I will be putting it back together slowly. At this point, the only thing we need is a rear bumper and a front bumper. They did have a rear bumper, but it was cut, and they were asking 150 bucks. So that's kind of too expensive, so I just passed on that. So yeah, I think I'm also gonna get mirrors because these are black and somebody painted them. So I think somebody has the same color mirrors, so I might pick those up as well. This fender is in okay shape besides just the clear coat kind of peeling. and the hood is in an okay shape. So everything's going smooth with this repair on this vehicle. So as you guys can tell by the clips that I've shown you, my goal for this vehicle is to kind of bring it back to stock condition. And at this point, it's going to take a little bit longer than I anticipated. So for that reason, this vehicle is going to go on the back burner just for now. I still need to get a few parts together so that I can put this car in one piece. And it doesn't make sense for me to try to put it back together when I don't have everything, if I'm going to have to take apart everything that I put back on, right? So currently I don't have any speakers. I don't have an amp to put on it. So I can't put all that stuff, like all the plastic stuff on without fixing that. And I also had to do some wiring on it. So like I said, it's gonna go on the back burner, but it's not gonna go on the back burner for too long because I have another vehicle lined up that is gonna make things a lot easier to, you know, fix this car. So definitely stay tuned for more videos on this vehicle. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys all very soon. Peace out.